Bonjour, welcome to this video. Today I would like to drive you through an experiment using GitLab and GitLab Duo. I would like to create from scratch an application and see how GitLab Duo can make it fast, even faster than you can even imagine. So let's do that together. And what kind of project can we do together? Well, I've got one in mind. I would like to create a tech radar. What is tech radar, you may ask? All right, let's see what others are doing here in the field. So we've got Zalendo. Zalendo created one, which is, I assume, quite popular. At least I found it very easily on the internet. You may find many others. And it explains well what is a tech radar. You've got four concentric circles, which define the level of maturity of a technology. Here we've got adapt, trial, assess, and all. You have definitions at the bottom of the screen. And then we've got four different categories: data stores, data management languages, and infrastructure. And the idea is really to position the technologies based on how you estimate them or you have assessed them, right? And just position them on the different circles. So any project starting in your company may refer to this tech radar and say, I need a data store. What kind of data store can I use? Here they are, and what is their level of maturity in my company? And same stands for any other technology and categories here. Okay, and then we also imagine that a project that is existing, a legacy project, comes and here and check what is the state of their technology and should they change or update them. So let's do that together. I have initiated an empty repository here for my Tegra, and I have cloned it locally in my ID. Let's zoom in a little bit here. Okay. I have also initiated a set of instructions. I put them in a file for the sake of the demo. It may be in an issue, for example, that you share across all your company. And so everybody will rely on these instructions to enforce a certain behavior on GitLab Duo and on the LLM. So basically, these are your development guidelines. So mine are, I want JavaScript files in the dedicated file. I want less as a style sheet rendering. Okay, I want to use D3.js. This is the rule in my company. So yeah, these are my instructions. But what, and I will just apply them. And then what is really important for me, this is my prompt. I will paste it in a file just for the sake of sharing it in my GitLab repository later. It's absolutely not needed, all right? I'm just sharing it for you, and so that's why I'm pasting it here. So what am I asking? Well, I need to create a tech radar. I want to feed it with a file named technologies, and then defining the content of this file, okay, the different the structure of the file itself, the technologies, the category and maturity. Then I'm explaining what is a tech radar, so four different concentric circles. I'm defining four shades of gray to color the different circles. I'm asking to position the different categories in each of the corner of the circles. I'm defining where to display different labels and so on and so forth. Okay, and I'm giving here an example. This example is very important, I would say. Your LLM are ignorant. They don't know what you want to do. So give them not only instructions, but also results, examples of what you are expecting. This way, they may be very accurate. They may be much more efficient. So this is a very good way to prompt and to give instructions to your LLM. And then, well, I'm positioning the different technologies. This is what we saw, the different chips. And I'm adding another layer here that wasn't on the Zalendo tech radar. I'm asking it to to create a project JSON file, okay, to list the technology that I have in my company. And so I will then be able to filter on these technologies and list all the technologies that have not yet been introduced in my tech radar, that have not been yet assessed. So let's ask GitLab Duo to do something with all of this. I will include my instructions. I said it's a file. It could be something else, all right? Basically an issue, as I said, or something else. But here it's a file with my instructions. I will also include my prompt since I pasted it. Let's make it simple. Here is my prompt. Okay, very good. And now, well, I will run here my later instruction. So please consider the context that I gave you, and I need two JS files at bare minimum. If you need a third one, let's do it. Okay, I just want you to create things. Okay, I will pause the video while the LLM is generating things to keep the video short. Okay, so it has just finished and created a few things for me. So it gave me the explanation and everything that I need to understand. So let's copy paste that in different files. I'll pause while I'm copy pasting also. Okay, so I've created all my files. I've started to copy paste. I still have the radar.js that I can just, well, I'm saying copy paste. I just need to click one button actually. It's even faster. And so here we've got all the projects here. This is my prompt, my content. Let's see how it works now. So of course, you should read all your instructions and everything and see, well, if the code that is generated is not dangerous or whatever. We can see that it uses the D3.js that I asked for. So let's see, once I've agreed on the code, how it behaves. So I can use a Python server locally and go there, check that. Okay. Hmm. Okay, I don't see the radar, but I got my filter. I can filter projects. Okay, I can see that it's updating things. Okay, well, I still have few adjustments to run, but it's a good start. Let's do this adjustment in my IDE here. Okay, so the circles are not here, and when I'm filtering, it does not update the technologies. Let's ask that in a new prompt. Okay, so I need some adjustment. I'm asking to display the circles. I'm just asking, well, are they well positioned in the center of the page? Okay, I saw that the categories are not filtered properly, so I'm just asking to correct that and to position the labels properly. All right, let's see what it does. Once again, I'm pausing. Okay, so now I'm updating the radar as advised. I'm updating the technologies as well. Okay, maybe I can have a look here. I can see that, well, it's fixing, well, the things being displayed by drawing first the radar and then the technologies with the callback. Okay, seems pretty smart. So let's see how it behaves now. I should have a Python something here. Let's open that. Wow, way better. Okay, and I can filter. Wow, wonderful. Okay, let's see if I can commit that and how it behaves on GitLab. Okay, and let's have a look on the here on my project. I should have a pipeline running. We'll wait for it to finish. Okay, so it has finished. Let's have a look. I've got two jobs that have been running here. It has deployed the pages. Let's see these pages. It's in the deploy section, right? Pages. And so I can see that I've got the URL that has been generated for me. Let's open it in a new page. And wow, wonderful. I've got all my technologies. I've got the new tech, well, which are unknown. I can filter. Wonderful. Well, seems pretty good, isn't it? And I've done that, well, all in my video recording says 9 minutes 14 seconds. So seems pretty decent. So let's recap what we have seen today together. Well, we have created from scratch a project. The first iteration was not absolutely perfect. That's something that we could expect from AI. I needed to hack it with a new prompt. But in the end, I created a project from scratch using Duo, leveraging the capacity to enforce some behavior and some code styles based on my context, extended context in GitLab Duo. And all of that within less than 10 minutes. I'm pretty happy about the result. I hope you are. also happy. See you soon. Bye.